Hello, my name is Anna-Leena. I'm a product engineer at Gasmet Technologies, and in this video I will tell you how to use our GT5000 Terra gas analyzer. GT5000 Terra is designed for field use. It weighs 9.4 kilograms and it is IP54 rated, so it's splash proof, so you can use it in the field regardless of the weather. You can measure up to 50 gases simultaneously thanks to the FTIR technology that we use. And it has also internal pump and battery. First I will go through parts and accessories, then I will show you how to do a background check, and then we will go through how to do measurements. We can remove this protective cover, and we have here 4 inlets and outlets, so you can connect your sample lines here. We have purge air, so you can connect a nitrogen bottle and purge the interferometer. Here we have sample out, so you can conduct the sample away from you and the analyzer. Then we have sample in, where you can connect your sampling probe or chamber. And then we have zero gas, which is for background nitrogen. Here you can connect the communication cable, USB or Ethernet cable, and this switch is for choosing the communication method for the communication between the analyzer and your tablet or PC. We have cable mode, and then we have Wi-Fi access point, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi station. On the side of the analyzer we have the battery hatch. You can open the battery hatch by lifting these up and pulling the hatch open. Inside the battery hatch we have the battery, you can pull it out, and then we have the power inlet for external power supply that can be connected here. Now we can turn on the analyzer. In this video we will be using the Bluetooth mode, so let's switch the analyzer to Bluetooth mode here. I have here my pre-configured Gasmet tablet, which is already paired via Bluetooth with the analyzer. Now we can let the analyzer stabilize, and then in the meantime I can show you the accessories. For portable field use we also have a backpack harness that can be attached to the back of the analyzer. So here we have 4 metal loops that can be connected to this harness. For sampling on the go we have handheld probe that can be connected here to sample in. It comes with a flexible Tycon tube and it has a hydrophobic PTFE filter inside. Now we can check that the analyzer is ready for measurements. We open the Gasmet software and select hardware. Now the hardware status of the analyzer is measured, and if it shows OK, the analyzer is ready for measurements. If it's not OK, you can wait a little bit more, just let the analyzer stabilize. Now that the hardware is OK, we can start doing the background measurement. Background measurement should be done with 5.0 purity nitrogen. I have a nitrogen bottle here, and I can now connect it to the zero gas inlet here. Open the nitrogen bottle and open the valve in the regulator and adjust the flow approximately to 2 liters per minute. It's not very exact. If you can hear a slight whistle from the sample out, the flow is okay. Make sure that there is flow coming out from the sample out. Wait 5 minutes to make sure that the sample cell is completely filled with nitrogen. When you have waited 5 minutes, you can start the background measurements by clicking background in Gasmet. Background measurement now starts. The pump is not on because we have a flow here. The standard background measurement time is 3 minutes, and background measurement is recommended to be done once every day before measurements. When you have measured the background, you can check that it looks okay. When you measure background, Gasmet Easy automatically switches to background view and you can view the background spectrum. Now we are using the probe, so we will connect it to the sample inlet. Make sure to connect the sample line here if you are using the pump, because otherwise, if there is no sample line connected, the valve will not open. Make also sure that you are using a filter so you won't suck in any particles into the sample cell. Now we are ready for the measurements, so to start a continuous measurement and the pump, we can in the Gasmet software click continuous. In the settings, you can select the measurement time you want to use. For optimal results, we recommend using 60 seconds, but shorter time periods can also be chosen. When measuring continuously, the results are automatically updated to the Gasmet software. You can review the results from the spectrum view, where you can see the sample spectrum, or from the results view, where you can see the concentrations of the components that are measured. You can also take a look at the trend view to see concentration changes of selected components. If the results are okay, there is a green banner saying OK in the bottom of the screen. If there is a warning or alarm, for instance high concentration alarm or residual alarm indicating that there might be an unknown component, warning or alarm is displayed in the bottom of the screen. To get more information on that, you can click the banner. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or want to know more about the GT5000 Terra, you can go to our website or contact us.